Hi guys, in today's video I will be showing you how to make this Lightning McQueen balloon bouquet. So today we're just going to use an 18-inch foil balloon and these colors, that being the chrome gold, red and black, and a number 3 foil balloon for my birthday number. Now I'm also going to use my calibrator, and I'm actually going to use my quad. I'm going to calibrate them to 9 inches, and also I ended up doing 8 inches instead of the 7 to create my base. So right now I'm going to start building the base. And why am I using 9-inch and 8-inch? I don't want to make my balloons too big on the base to where my statement balloon, like the Lightning McQueen, just looks too small. So I kind of make that one a statement balloon, as it should be. So my base is going to be fairly small. So now I'm going to calibrate them to 9 inches and build my first quad. Now for the colors, I just want my chrome golds to be statements. I want the reds and blacks to be dominant on my piece. And so this is why you see me doing 2 blacks, 1 red and 1 gold for my first quad. And then on my second quad, I'll do the reverse. I will use 2 reds, 1 black and 1 gold. If that makes any sense to you guys. I pay so much attention to details and what looks good in the eye, so I just don't throw balloons together. I make sure that there's some sort of like easy flow of colors to make the piece, I don't know, to have more details in it, you know. So here you are, I'm using my 8-inch calibrator now, and I'm going to do my second quad, which will be calibrated to 8 inches. And as you see in here, I'm using 2 reds. Just so you guys know, these are all Callison balloons. The marigold, black, and red. So everything is Callison brand. And for the next duplet, I'm just going to calibrate them into 8 inches as well to create my quads. Once the quads are done, I will attach them together by the necks, and I'm not going to use extra product, no fish line, no glue dots for that, no 260 to attach them. I just simply use the necks of my balloons and tie them together. That will save me on product, and it limits any type of tugging or pulling damage. So as you can see, I'm fishing for the neck over here and the neck of my other quad and just marry them together. Once they're done, you'll see me, I'm going to rotate the balloons to make sure that the colors that I want are on the front. And you know, I don't want red to red, gold to gold. Like, I kind of want to make sure that every color is kind of spread out evenly, and that's what I'm doing right now. So the story behind this bouquet is, this is for a boy, and that's turning 3 years old, and my client wanted just to use the Lightning McQueen car theme for his birthday party. This is one of my medium balloon bouquets that includes a helium balloon bunch. I do these a lot, and these are served like as a table topper. So like if you have a birthday cake or a table decorated, you can put this on the table or however you want, but they're basically about, what, I would say 2 feet tall. And so some people call it table toppers, balloon bouquets, you know, but this I pretty much do often as a little grab and go, and that means is a customer pickup. I don't deliver these because it's not worth it for me to get out of the house for less than $200. So that said, I'm going to use now my water weight to bring some stability to my piece. And these are like simple yet very intricate designs. I'm so used to doing these, so it's just something added to a party that makes it a memorable time. So I still offer these because I love the creativity behind it. And this time happens to be Cars theme. And I have done another Cars theme bouquet in the past, years ago, I believe. And I love it so much. It's always fun to do cute little themes. But like I said, I think you might have seen this type of designs before with my latest video that I did for Sonic. Is the same concept. There's not much to it. If it was for a girl, I'll probably add more details like flowers or little beads, but because it's a boy, I decided to just make sure to make these little loops using a 260 chrome, and I'm just gonna cut the excess and just create this little accent detail. It's a boy, it's not a girly piece, so for boys it's a little trickier because what do you decorate with, right? So I'm gonna use my statement balloon, foil balloon, and I'm gonna add a 260 and use it as a tab for me to weave it around my piece. And as you can see, I'm playing with the design, see what fits. I definitely want the bigger Lightning McQueen to be on the front, but the back of this balloon is also detailed with a different image. So once you commit to your piece, just, you can't turn back. So here I'm cleaning my edges of my number 3 foil. And these balloons you can find at your dollar store, any party store. I get them from my distributors, so but you can get at Walmart, all those type of party stores. And as you can see now, here's where it gets tricky, where to place this number 3. So finally I find a cute spot, and all I do is attach this number 3 foil to my latex balloons by adding glue dots. And everywhere that the balloon meets, that's where I'm going to place a glue dot. Same thing with these little loops. My little loops, I just use glue dots. I don't pull or tug anything. And because this piece is not over yet, I want to add a little bit more design. So I'm using now my black Callazin balloons. These are the 5 inches. They're super tiny, but I'm going to make them even tinier to create that little cluster that you're going to see just about now. I use 2 balloons and I split them in half and weave them together to create that tiny little cluster that you see on most of my pieces. These are so cute, you guys, because they're great for fillers, and it just, gives an added look to the piece. So as you can see, they look like tiny little mini clusters. I love them. But that's it. So all I do is same thing, use my glue dashes and just try to see where there's some empty spaces. I try to hide by adding these fillers, and it just adds for another element of design. And like I said, this bouquet is for a boy and it's a 3-year-old. I highly doubt that he's gonna care so much about design, but my clients will. So you want to make sure that you do a great job so that the next time they continue to hire you for future events. So even if it's such a small balloon bouquet, I'm gonna go all out for my customers because they deserve it. They keep coming back, and what keeps me apart from other balloon designers in my area is the amount of details I put on my pieces. And as you can see, I flipped this thing and it's not going anywhere, you guys. So the last little added touch to this was bringing some height by adding some helium balloons. And if you saw my Sonic video, you saw how I did my helium balloons. just attach them to the back, and here's the final piece. I hope you guys enjoyed these tiny little videos and you enjoy what I do. Please don't forget to hit that like and subscribe and follow for more. I hope to see you guys soon.